In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Ads URL. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account and give the dashboard a moment to load completely. It's important to wait until the overview page is fully visible so everything responds properly as you move through the account. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. This will take you to the area where all of your active and paused campaigns are listed. From here, select the specific campaign that contains the ad you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple campaigns with similar names. After opening the campaign, click Ads from the campaign menu. You'll now see the list of ads inside that campaign. Take a moment to review the ads shown on screen and locate the one whose URL you want to change. When you find the correct ad, click on it to select it. With the ad selected, click the Edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil. From the available options, choose Edit Ad. Then wait for the ad editor to open. Depending on your internet speed and account size, this may take a few seconds. Once the editor is open, look for the final URL field. This is the destination link users go to after clicking your ad. If needed, delete the existing URL, then enter the new destination URL carefully. Be sure to type or paste the full and correct address. Before moving on, double-check the URL for accuracy, since even a small typo can send visitors to the wrong page or cause the ad to be disapproved. After updating the link, review the rest of the ad settings. You're not changing any additional steps here, but it's still a good idea to quickly confirm that everything else looks correct. Most importantly, make sure the new URL matches the content of the ad. The landing page should be relevant to what the ad promises because that helps with user experience and can also affect ad performance. When you're satisfied, click Apply or Save to submit the change. Then wait for Google Ads to process the update. This may not happen instantly, so give it a moment. Finally, verify that the updated URL now appears in the ad details. Once you confirm that the new link is showing correctly, you can be confident that the ad is ready to continue running with the updated URL. Thanks for watching.